Everyone says follow the same playbook, but that playbook was written for someone else. You're watching people succeed and thinking, why isn't this working for me? Because they think differently to you. What you are seeing is entrepreneurs succeeding because they understand what approach to solving business challenges their personalities are most strongest at. For now, let's group characters in the following way. The explorer finds opportunities first, market researcher. The connector turns it into attention, marketing. The closer turns attention into revenue, sales. The builder makes it consistent, operations. The analyst makes it better over time, optimization. So each type of person has a part to play in an online business, but needs the other skills around them to have the best chance of succeeding. Most people fail because they try to be all of them. Instead of copying strategies, figure out which one you are and build around that. This is how Pumped Entrepreneur can help. Not only do we offer helpful insights into starting an online business, we help you understand what's best for you in terms of the role you would best fit and the roles you need to find in contractors, partners, and other founders.
Subscribe now for more insights about starting an online business and what's the right path for you.